like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here.
Let us construct the character table for C3 point group. Before that, the 5 rules those we need to follow to construct the character table, and those rules are: rule number 1, total number of gamma i's means irreducible representations is equal to order. Second rule, of members present in same class have same character. Third rule, summation of squares of dimension is equal to h. Fourth rule, summation of squares of characters of one particular irreducible representation is equal to h. Fifth rule, summation of multiplication of two irreducible representation is equal to 0. Now C3 is a point group. In C3V, 3 classes are there: E, 2C3 and 3 sigma V. So by rule number 1, total number of gamma i's means irreducible representation is equal to 3. Let me say them as gamma 1, gamma 2 and gamma 3. By rule number 3, summation of squares of dimensions is equal to 6. Let us consider L1 as a dimension for first irreducible representation, L2 for second and L3 for third. Then L1 square plus L2 square plus L3 square is equal to 6. What are the possible values? L1 is equal to L2 is equal to 1 and L3 is equal to 2. Here the first column below the identity is completed. Now by rule number 2 and rule number 4 for first irreducible representation, there I am considering the unknown numbers as A1 and B1. Summation of squares of characters should be equal to H. Means here 6. 1 into 1 square plus 2 into A1 square plus 3 into B1 square is equal to 6. One of the possible solution, A1 is equal to 1, B1 is equal to 1. So here first row of the character table is completed. Now in order to obtain the characters for the second irreducible representation, let me consider the unknown numbers as A2 and B2. By rule number 2 and rule number 5, rule number 2 is the members present in the same class have the same characters, and rule number 5 is summation of multiplication of two irreducible representations is equal to 0. By that rule number 2 and 5, 1 into 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus A2 plus 3 into 1 into B2 is equal to 0. The possible solution is A2 is equal to 1,
B2 is equal to minus 1.
Now I want to establish the two unknowns for third irreducible representation. Let me consider those two unknowns as A3 and B3, and let me apply the rule number 2 and 5 for gamma 1 and gamma 3 one time. Similarly, I'll apply rule number 2 and 5 for gamma 2 and gamma 3, and I will get two equations. I'll solve those two equations simultaneously and I'll get the values for A3 and B3, and the answer for A3 is minus 1 and for B3 is 0. So here is a character table for C3V point group. Is the construction clear? C3V point group, its representation divided into 3 classes. All 6 operations are there: E, 2C3 and 3 sigma V. By rule number 1, total gamma is equal to number of classes. Therefore gamma is will be 3. Let me say them as gamma 1, gamma 2 and gamma 3. By rule number 3, summation of squares of dimensions is equal to h. Therefore L1 square plus L2 square plus L3 square is equal to 6. It means L1 is equal to L2 is equal to 1 and L3 is equal to 2. Because of this, I could complete the one column of the characters which represent the dimensions of all 3 operations. In order to find the characters for gamma 1, I want to use rule number 4. Rule says summation of squares of characters for that irreducible representation is equal to order of the point group H. Let me consider unknown characters of gamma 1 as A1 and B1. By combined application of rule number 2 and rule number 4, I can find 1 square plus 2 into A1 square plus 3 into B1 square is equal to 6. It means A1 and B1 is equal to 1. Representing the findings in the first row, that's the characters for gamma 1. As per rule number 5, two irreducible representations are orthogonal to each other. Let me apply this rule number 5 to gamma 1 and gamma 2. For that, let me consider unknown characters for gamma 2 as A2 and B2. By the combined application of rule number 2 and rule number 5, I will get expression 1 into 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 into A2 plus 3 into 1 into B2 is equal to 0. Whatever the first number is represented in every multiplication is order of the class, number of members in the class. Second number is a character for first irreducible representation, that's a gamma 1. And third number is a character for our next irreducible representation, that is gamma 2.
And solution will be a2 is equal to 1 and b2 is equal to minus 1. Here second irreducible representation is completed. Now left only last two characters in the gamma 3 representation. Let me consider those unknown characters as a3 and b3. I want to find those characters a3 and b3 by application of rule number 2 and 5 for two different pairs. First I will apply for gamma 1 and gamma 3, and then I'll apply for gamma 2 and gamma 3. If I apply for gamma 1 and gamma 3, equation will be 1 into 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 into a3 plus 3 into 1 into b3 is equal to 0. And for the pair gamma 2 and gamma 3, equation will be 1 into 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 into a3 plus 3 into minus 1 into b3 is equal to 0. Here in three numbers multiplication, first number is a order of a class, second number is a character of first irreducible representation in the pair, and third number is a character of gamma 3. Because of the application of rule number 5 to these two different pairs, I am getting two different simultaneous equations in the form of a3 and b3. After solving those two equations, I will get values of a3 and b3. The value of a3 is minus 1 and b3 is 0. Let me put that value and complete the character table. Here is a character table for C3 point group. Now one thing is left, that's the Mulliken's notations. Since dimension of gamma 1 is 1, I have to use the symbol A or B. But it's symmetric about the principal axis, that's a C3, therefore I am using term A. And it's symmetric about the plane, therefore A1. For gamma 2, dimension is 1, therefore A or B. Symmetric about the principal axis, therefore A. Antisymmetric about the next operation, that's a vertical plane, therefore 2. What about gamma 3? It has dimension 2, and other such any irreducible representation with dimension 2 is not there. So only E is enough. So A1, A2 and E, these are the three irreducible representations for C3V point group, and it is a table with characters for C3V point group. The question which can test your understanding is asked here. If you remember, we studied matrices, and matrices we used for representations. And for C3V point group, complete representation was given. And by block method, we reduced that matrix which was of 3 dimension into one matrix of 1 dimension and one matrix of 2 dimension. And when we devised now different irreducible representation, we are finding 3 irreducible representation. One with 1 dimension, other with also 1 dimension, and third one with 2 dimension. Means here total dimensions, if you see, 4 dimensions are there in our character table for C3V. But while applying the matrices concept, 3-dimensional concept, we were getting total dimension as 3. We were getting one single dimensional and other 2-dimensional representations. Then which single dimension representation we have not considered previously, but now it is there? Means answer will be, it may be A1 or it may be A2. So what you have to do? You have to name that representation which we have not considered in the reduction of matrices method. That irreducible representation, its Mulliken notation name, only you have to write in comment box. I want to see how many of you can answer this question.